Hi and welcome. This video is about why you are not making money online. The number one reason is that you have created a website or blog or YouTube channel, or some other online endeavor, for the sole purpose of making money online. That does not work. Your online endeavor needs to have a purpose beyond making money. That purpose is to be of help, benefit, or entertain your visitors and viewers. You may have heard the words educate, entertain, and inform. In order to do that, you will need to provide quality content, useful content, helpful content, and/or entertaining content. You want to create content that will bring your audience back for more. Content is still king, so consider focusing on creating content about something that you are passionate about. This makes things much easier for you, your passion is going to show, and you will be able to more easily provide value. Another issue that keeps new aspiring digital marketers from making money is SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is telling the search engines what your content is about. SEO is based on keywords, which are the words that a prospective visitor or viewer will type into their search box to find your content. As your SEO knowledge and experience grows, and as your keyword research abilities improve, you will be able to better zero in on keywords and keyword phrases which will have good search volume and less competition. Build your content around these keywords and phrases, and it will mean more and more free quality traffic. This brings us to patience. Patience, actually, lack of patience, is a make money online deal breaker. Making money online is an exceptional opportunity. You have the potential of making more money than you can imagine, but it takes time. You need to realize this up front. You are going to need to be patient. Expecting overnight results is not realistic. If you are not willing to be patient, you are going to quit. The only way to fail at making money online is quit. So be patient. The other obstacle that you are going to face is lack of traffic. SEO will help you to overcome a lack of traffic, but your SEO results are going to be cumulative. Over time, they will add up, but initially, your traffic will be very little. You may have already discovered that new online ventures are not going to attract much traffic. There are dozens of ways to generate traffic. Paid traffic is great, but you are not ready for paid traffic. Because you are new, paid traffic will cost you money rather than make you money. Fortunately, you have some free traffic options. One of the most popular traffic options, and one of the most effective options, is social media. The way this works is to share your post and video on social media platforms such as Facebook, TikTok, Tumblr, X, LinkedIn, Quora, Reddit, and so on. On sites such as Reddit and Facebook, join groups that are relative to your niche. Each time that you add new content, let it be known on several social media sites. There is a catch. Social media platforms are social. What that means is that you will need to engage with the other members of the community by reading their posts and liking, sharing, and commenting. Regularly creating great content will create a following, and regular social media posting and engagement will also create additional followings. Your benefit is an ever-growing stream of free traffic. This brings us to your bonus. Your bonus is 3 compelling reasons to continue your pursuit of making money online. These are 3 financial levers that a typical job does not offer. Most, if not all online ventures provide you with 1, the cumulative effect, 2, the residual effect, and 3, the snowball effect. Your online content accumulates. Your content creation needs to be consistent. Your consistent content will accumulate, and this accumulation over time will have a profound effect on traffic and growth. The residual effect means that each piece of your content has the potential to make money, and not just today. It can make you money over and over again. The internet has another reward for you, which is the snowball effect. The snowball effect means that your online venture will experience more and more growth with the same amount of effort. Growth that has a runaway potential, thanks to the virility of the internet. Your make money online potential is waiting. Allow me to wish you much success.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!